Would you like some praise dance moves? In this video, I'm going to go over 4 different phrases of praise dance moves that you could put to any of your favorite fast 4/4 time music, or learn the steps and do it during praise and worship time, or add it to your choreography. It's a lot of fun. Be sure to stay all the way to the end, because then I put all 4 phrases together for a nice basic body warm-up or to practice so that you'll have some movement vocabulary for faster praise dancing. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is Worship Dance Tips and Techniques. It's where we go over all kinds of topics that relate to praise and worship dancing. My goal is to help you, the worship dancer, to grow in your call to dance before the Lord. So if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be aware of what new videos are coming out next. So let's get right to it. Paddle turn, diagonal, step knee, diagonal, X for the turn, face back, step on, really travel. All right, get ready for your slide. Slide, backside front, slide, box step, ball chain front, praise, and raise. Okay, praise phrase number 1, and step touch. Back it up, diagonal, step cross, paddle turn, around, and 7 and 8. We go, step touch, back it up, 6, 7, diagonal. We go, step cross, paddle turn, around, and. Then you're ready to go on the left. Step touch, step back it up, 5, 6, 7, step cross, step paddle turn, down and down, bring the arm down. Putting it all together, we go, step touch, step back it up, 5, 6, cross, step cross, paddle turn, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you bring that arm down as you turn around. Step touch, step back it up, 5, 6, step cross, step paddle turn, down and down and down and down. All right, let's try that with music. 5, 6, a 5, 6, ready, and step touch, back it up, a 5, 6, step cross, paddle turn, and step touch, and back it up, and step cross, paddle turn, try it again, step touch, back it up, cross, paddle turn, and step touch, back it up, diagonal, step cross, paddle turn, around, and 7 and 8. Praise phrase number 2. Step and other way, step me up, X for the turn, face the back, and face the front. We go, step, knee up, back, other foot, step, knee up, back, try it again, step, knee up, back, step, knee up, back, then it goes an X step, so it's step out wide, like an X, then everything comes in, then it goes out, with the arms down, in. So we go out, in, out, in. So let's put those 2 together. We go step, knee up, back, step, knee up, X step, X and bring it in, X and adding on. So that same movement on the diagonal and front and back. We go step, knee up, down, step, knee up, down, and. Now the X step goes forward and bring it together as you turn around, then it goes X step backwards and turn it around. Let's just try that portion. We go step, knee up, other side. Step, knee up, face the front. X, then turn around. X, and turn around. Let's put both sections together. Facing front and playing first. And step, knee up, and up. Step, knee up, playing X. X, and stay to the front. X, and now we go diagonal. And diagonal, face front. And X to the back. And X to the front. And around. All right, let's try that with music. 5, 6, a 5, 6, here we go. Step, knee up, and step, knee up, X. Plane to the front, and on the diagonal, and step, knee up, X, with a turn, face the back, X. Again, step, knee up, plane to the front, X, and X, now diagonal, step, and other way, step, knee up, X with a turn, face the back, and face the front. Remember to stay into the end so that you can practice all the way through. That's the most fun part, so don't miss it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, praise phrase number 3, and other way. Back it up. It is very simple. It's just a step ball change. So I'm going to go on the diagonal, and it's step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Then 4 going backwards. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Step, other way. Step, ball, change, arms in opposition. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change, and you're moving in that direction. And going backwards, step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. That's all there is to it. Let's try it a little faster. Ready? And 1. And back. Other way. 3. Step, ball, change, and back. 6, 7, and 8, and. Let's try it with some music. 5, 6, a 5, 6, here we go. 1. Change, step, ball, change, and back it up. Other way. Step, ball, change. Back it up. Again. Back it up. And other way. Back it up. And finish. Praise phrase number 4. Cross, backside front, slide. And box, box, and ball change, box, and slide. This is my favorite. It's kind of old-time jazz steps. So we go slide, and let this foot drag, and you're on an angle, cross, and then 1, 2, 3. And then you're free to go on the other side. It's slide, and cross it over, and back, side, front. Let's try that again. Slide, cross, a back, side, front. And slide, cross, a back, side, front. Okay, then it goes into a box step. You step out, cross over, back, ball, change. So that's a ball, change. So it's stepping on the ball of the foot and shifting your weight. Then we do the box step on the other side. Step, cross over, back, and then this foot's ball, change. So the box step a little quicker is box, cross, and ball change, box, cross, and ball change. So let's put it together with the slide. We go slide, cross, a back, side, front, a slide, cross, a back, box step, and box, 2, 3, ball change, a box, 2, 3, ball change. Part 2 of that phrase, we go slide, cross, a back, side, front, again, slide, cross, walk it to the front, and it's as if praise is coming out of your mouth. You go walk, 2, 3, 4, praise, 6, walking back. So you just walk backwards and raise your arms as raised praise. Okay, let's put that part 2 together. Slide, cross, a back, side, front. Slide, cross, walk it front. Praise, movements, going front. Praise, praise, going back. Let's put it all together with music. 5, 6, a 5, 6, ready, and slide, cross, back, side, front. Slide, cross, box, ball change, box. Slide, cross, walk it front, walk. Raise, praise, try from the top again. Cross, back, side, front, slide. And box, box, and ball change, box, and slide. Cross, back, side, front, slide. Walk it front, walk. Raise, praise, and. Okay, we're going to put all 4 of the praise phrases together with music. Are you ready? Here we go. 6, a 5, 6, ready, and step touch. Step, back it up. Diagonal, step cross. Paddle turn. Step touch. Back it up. Diagonal. Paddle turn. Step knee, front. Step knee. X to the front. X. Diagonal, step knee. Diagonal. X for the turn. Face back. Step ball change. Back it up. I'm just trying to stay in the camera, but you can really move with it. Step ball change other way. Really travel. All right, get ready for your slide. Slide. Back, side, front. Slide. Box step. Ball change. Box. Slide again. And walk it front. Praise. And raise praise. From the top. Step touch. Back it up. Diagonal. Paddle. Step touch. Back it up. Diagonal. Paddle turn. Step knee. Step knee. X to the front. Step knee. Diagonal. Diagonal. X for the turn. Face back. Get ready for your step ball change. Back it up. Other way, step ball change. And back it up. Get ready for your slide. Here we go. Slide, cross. Slide, cross. Box step. Ball change. Box. Ball change. Slide. Back it up. Walk it front. Praise. And raise, praise. All right, good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Question of the day. Do you always dance during praise and worship times at your church, or only during presentations, or is it just during special holidays and occasions? Leave a comment in the comments box. I'd love to hear, how your activity for praise and worship dancing. Or are you, a closet praise dancer and you just do it during your own, private prayer times? I'd love to hear from you. Just please leave a comment below. And I hope to see you at a conference or retreat or in the online school. And I'll see you in the next video. God bless. I just have to share this story about praise dancing. I've been traveling and teaching worship dance conferences all across the country and abroad for nearly 25 years. But when I was younger, and I would usually lead in praise and worship dancing, lead the dance team there, and I'd usually do a solo dance, presentation. But this one particular church asked me to dance during praise and worship, to lead the worship dancing, and I thought, oh, this is great. I love to move slowly and just enter into his presence and worship in what I consider slower kind of worship moves. Well, I got there and I was all excited about leading. They played like fast praise music for like 45 minutes straight. If you do aerobics, it was like 150 to 170 beats per minute for like 45 minutes in a row. And I was like starting to run out of ideas and starting to get actually a little bit tired. And so I created the Praise, Worship, and Flag Dances DVD with the purpose of giving people, a praise dance vocabulary. When I say praise dancing, I mean like dancing to music that's a little faster, that as we praise the Lord, with faster, upbeat tempo music. And so that's when, I did the Praise, Worship, and Flag Dances DVD. It's got praise patterns on it, a complete worship dance, two flag pattern, or one worship ministry prophetic flag dance that I demonstrate, and a faster flag moves, like patterns for flag movements. Anyways, it became a necessity to come up with some choreography and some movements for praise dancing.